I am a huge fan of command centers. I think they help families get organized. So I'm going to show you how to set up this 1Thrive command center and give you my honest opinion of what I think of this product.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips.
So I was gifted the 1Thrive Command Center, and I have to say that I was thoroughly impressed with how well it was packaged and how quickly it got shipped out to me. I love how customizable this command center is. You can create any system that you need for your family or any area of your home. So my one con about this product is that you can't purchase things a la carte. For us, I really like that each kiddo can have their own filing cabinet to put all of their papers. And the one downside to that with the 1Thrive is that if you wanted to do that, since it is customizable, but not a la carte, you have to order one of the magazine holders separately. I mean, it's not a deal breaker because the product is gorgeous and super sturdy, and it only makes 2 holes in your wall instead of our old command center, which left like 6. So there is so much patching and everything that had to go into this wall where we put up our 1Thrive. And so I love that we only have to make 2 holes in our wall to hang up this entire system. When you purchase the 1Thrive, all of the products are individually wrapped, which is perfect because nothing breaks, nothing's kind of like all jimble jambled in your box. It's all packaged really nicely. Then to hang it up, simply put it on your wall, mark the 2 corners, and then put in the wall anchors and the screws. Then hang the 1Thrive frame on the wall. Boom! It's that easy. Then add your accessories and you are ready to go. 1Thrive comes with 2 markers, and then you can also order more colorful markers. Now, they recommend only using the 1Thrive markers on their boards. So this is another kind of thing to think about because you have to plan ahead if you start to notice that your markers are running out. But if you plan accordingly, then you will be set and completely fine with having the markers. I recommend only keeping a couple out at a time and laying the other ones flat in a drawer. This way it will help keep the tips nice and sharp. All of the products that I used are linked below. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.